chicken pops. Chicken pops. Yes, it's like a mix between lollipops and chicken. I've told you all before, chicken is actually my favorite meat. Not steak. I'm allergic to fish, so I can't eat any form of fish at all, though I do like it. Ugh, I really do like it, but I can't eat any form of fish at all. But of all the meats, beef roast and pork roasts and turkey and just any of the meat, chicken is actually my favorite, and I'll take it. However, barbecue, hot wings. I'll take a stewed chicken, out baked chicken, rotisserie chicken. Listen, you name it, I'll take it. I just like chicken, and I know 9 million things to do with chicken. I do. So this came very natural to me. And lollipops, eh, kids love lollipops, and some adults actually love lollipops. That's one of those things that people continue to eat even when they're not a child anymore. They still eat lollipops for some reason. So just merge them together. So this is what I'm going to do. I got 8 chicken legs. 8. You can do as many as you like. But this is what I'm starting with. 8 chicken legs. Some Lowry seasoned salt. Some accent. Black pepper. Cayenne pepper. White flour. And some oil. And I'm getting ready to get busy. Oh, and a couple of knives. You're going to need them. Let's go. Okay, you guys. Now listen, this is actually the most difficult part as far as I'm concerned. This is the part where you'll see up here is the tops of the drumsticks that I've actually cut off. And that's the hardest thing, getting them off so that they stand. So you have to cut it and cut it flat. Cutting through the bone is the worst part. You got to make sure you have a very, very sharp knife. And really, I want you to really be careful. Watch your hands. Watch your hands. All of this is done after you wash this meat. Please wash your chicken. When you're doing chicken, please wash your chicken. Chicken is nasty and dirty. Please wash your chicken before you do any of this. You're going to cut that top portion of the drumstick off so it's flat. You'll take all these extra pieces of chicken and you'll use this extra chicken for a different dish. Baby, we're not throwing anything away. Listen, we ain't throwing nothing away. We're going to use it on a different dish. Are you hungry? Yes, we're going to make a different dish with that. We're not throwing any meat away. All right, now. All right, you guys, next step. You see what I did here, don't you? Right in here, you must remove the skin and the little bit of meat that's down there at the bottom of the drumsticks, so it actually looks like, see, this is all for aesthetics, honey. It looks like a pop, like a little pop, like a lollipop. So you must remove all of the meat and the skin from down there. It's, you know what, it's not too bad. It just takes a little time. So just take your time, put yourself on some music or something, and just take your time and go ahead and remove that skin and that meat from there. And you could also use that to whatever your dish is that you're going to with it. You can take that and use that as well if you want. If not, pitch it on out. Alrighty, let's move on. Okay, you guys, here we go. I have actually taken and seasoned with Lowry seasoned salt, black pepper, accent, a little bit of garlic, and listen, and we're ready to go. You can season, you can add whatever it is that you really want to yours, and I've actually coated mine with just white flour. Basic white flour. If you want to do buttermilk or any of those other little fancy dipping options, that's actually up to you. So definitely that, listen, recipes are just that. It's your version of whatever it is that you've seen. So listen, I'm ready. You see these 8, the chicken pops, they've already turned into chicken pops. All right, so we get ready to go drop them into my deep fryer. Are you hungry? We almost there, y'all. We're going to start with them up just like they are. And are you guys ready for the drop? Oh, look at that. There we go. And let them go, baby. Let them get to frying, baby. Yes, indeed. Surely we're not just going to sit here and watch them fry. Listen, while these are frying, go clean up your kitchen. Go and clean up your kitchen and meet me back here. All right, guys, we are done. This is it. Chicken pops. Perfect for a holiday party. It's fun. It's cute. Get you some dipping sauce. I don't know, barbecue, ranch, hot sauce, something else that you create on your own. And get to dip in these chicken pops and let the party begin. Are you hungry? See you guys next time. What do you think? Doesn't this look fun? Doesn't this look fun for a party? Chicken pops. Are you hungry? I love it. I think it is the cutest little thing. Just walk on around the party with old nasty piece of chicken pop and a little bit of dipping sauce. I think I've said all that I really have to say. This is fun. Fun, fun, fun. Later, guys.